Now that's out the way. Thomas, I'm going to start by quoting something a stranger once said to us in the street. We were walking through the Melbourne CBD hand in hand, a regular day. As we crossed the road, a man coming in the opposite direction said, with a beaming smile across his face, "It's Valentine's Day every day for you two, isn't it?" He could see in a split second our reality. He was right. We kiss each other goodbye every morning and sweet dreams every night. Check in on each other in the day, then rush home to each other in the evening. I don't know why a yummy dinner and watching TV with you brings me butterflies in my tummy, but it does. I absolutely adore you.
I can't believe how quickly this day has arrived. 15 years, then that one day where my knee hit the wet rock in Cromer, and Alicha thankfully said yes.
I'm absolutely delighted to declare that you are now husband and wife. Thomas, you may kiss your bride.
I cannot wait to see where the next few years take us and the adventures that we're going to have together, because I know they're not going to stop, and I promise you that.
Some things I love about Thomas. How you always bring me a dessert with a teaspoon because you know I hate using a big spoon. How for nearly the last 14 years of nursing, you have listened to my endless stories, especially after 12.5-hour night shifts in A&E with no break. They were long stories.
To a love that has already stood the test of time, to a partnership that keeps getting stronger, and to a future that we all know will be full of adventure, warmth, and lots of happiness, I give you Alicha and Tom.
Ladies and gentlemen, will you please be upstanding? Will you please clap politely? Will you please clap enthusiastically for Mr. and Mrs. Miller?
There's one more person I forgot to thank. And that's me.